You ever wonder how much time, energy, but more importantly, money you've spent on Steam? There's actually a Steam calculator that'll show you how much you've wasted. I mean, invested on Steam. All you have to do is go to steamdb.info. Go to the top navigation bar and click on calculator. From here, enter in your profile URL or Steam ID. The next page is going to show your account value in the top right corner, along with some other interesting data points like average price per hour, hours on record, average playtime, and today's prices, including discounts if you were to buy all of the games you have in today's market. If you live outside the US and use a different currency, you can change the currency to your local currency to see your exact number so that way you have a better estimate. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see some really cool data points. Games by time played, which is really interesting to see how many hours you sunk into certain games. But more importantly, it's going to be an eye-opener to show you how many games you have not touched in your Steam library. Really insightful if you are thinking about buying more games that you haven't even played through. Then you got products by cost, which shows you the average prices that you buy for games on Steam. And at the very bottom, you have badge breakdown to show you if you've earned any particular badges on Steam. SteamDB.info is a really cool website if you're a Steam user or a streamer and you want to see how much money you're putting into Steam or how much time you're investing into it. If you need any other cool websites that give you more insights as a gamer or a streamer, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next video over to the side. Check y'all later, and of course, peace.